Hello brothers, I hope you are doing well. This video is for learning purposes only. Please practice on a demo account first and move to a real account only after gaining confidence. Focus on understanding market behavior and always analyze higher timeframes, as the 1-minute timeframe can sometimes be misleading. Stay patient, keep learning, and trade responsibly. First trade, Euro to US dollar, down option. We placed a down trade because price broke the support level with strong bearish candles. Additionally, there was an EMA crossover, where the 50 EMA, yellow line, crossed below the 21 EMA, pink line. This confirmed bearish momentum, so we entered a down option. Second trade, US dollar to Japanese yen, call option. I will explain the reasoning for this trade as well. Now, let's wait for the results. US dollar to Japanese yen, call option. We took a call trade because the market looked bullish. As I mentioned earlier, when an EMA crossover happens, it is often safer to take trades with a 3 to 5 minute expiry. If the market moves against your decision, experience allows you to manage another entry to reduce potential loss, but this requires proper understanding and discipline. For beginners, it is always best to practice on a demo account first. Once you gain enough experience and consistency, you can then move to a real account. Here we took a call option because the market structure was bullish. Sellers failed to push the price down to the support level, showing weak selling pressure, while buyers started to take control of the market. Price also broke the trend line with a strong green Mariposa candle, which had no wick, confirming bullish momentum. Based on this confirmation, a 3 to 5 minute expiry was the best option. Now, let's wait for the result. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Your likes and comments motivate me to share more trading knowledge with you. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the video and best of luck.